Hey folks, I'm David. This is Live in Texas at Hidden Spring Farm. Today we're going to be talking about whether or not chickens can get sunburn, and if they can get sunburn, exactly where it is and what we need to do to protect them. We're also going to be mounting something here in the chicken yard, the run. Might end up helping them out just a little bit. Y'all come on and join us. Let's get this knocked out. All right, as you can see, we got the sun over there behind the trees. We got a lot of shade going on right now, and these chickens are out. The guineas are out. They're walking around. They've been pecking on the flock blocks over here. We got the hen block over here. They've been wearing it out. If you hadn't seen the video, we take care of this thing right here, build it and get this set up. Y'all go ahead and check that out. But in the meantime, we're gonna get something mounted up here all the way down to the fence line over here to see if it won't help our chickens. So let's get started before it gets too dark. So to answer the question whether chickens can get sunburn or not, yes, they can. Well, it sounds like the guineas are disagreeing with me, but it's true, they can get sunburn. And we're about to set something up to help our chickens not to get sunburned. Have you ever heard of a chicken saddle? They make them. You can put a saddle on a chicken. Well, if your chickens are molting, then their feathers are coming off their back. And that can cause their skin to be exposed to the sun. So they make these chicken saddles that you can put on the back of a chicken, and it actually looks like a saddle. Thus the name saddle. But this chicken saddle goes around the back of a chicken, and it prevents sunlight from getting to that bare spot until they have their feathers grow back to be able to protect their skin. So that's one area that chickens can get sunburn. You can order those on Amazon, or you can go to a specialty store that deals with chicken supplies, and you can order them from there, or some of them might even carry them in the store. Some people make them custom. They are really a big item. If you go look around at some of them, just go online, look up chicken saddles, and you will see that there are variations like crazy. I mean, different colors, different materials, whatever. And some of them you can even buy to match the chicken. So if you got a Rhode Island red, they got Rhode Island red chicken saddles. So it makes it look like the chicken's not wearing anything. But anyway, check that out. That's for bare skin at the backside. You know how they molt and lose their feathers. Chicken saddles. We hadn't used one yet. Not saying we're never going to use one, but we're going to try to prevent sunburn instead of worrying about sunburn. All right, let's get on to the next step of this. All right, during this next step, I'm going to attach this, and it is going to cause a ruckus, because once I raise what I'm going to raise, these chickens are going to lose their mind thinking that a predator's coming. So you're going to hear all kinds of running and cackling and everything else, most likely. All right, so let's get this one set up. All I'm doing is extending this and trying to get it at full length, because I want to use it as a tensioner. All right, so we got that attached. And what we did is we bought these shade, I don't know if you want to call them tarps. They're just large pieces of material. I can't even remember what they're called, to be honest with you. I'm going to try to look it up and put it on the screen for you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it up there to be able to pull tension. And then I'm going to attach it right over to my fence. And what I want to do is have it pulled up tight enough where we can walk underneath it. Now, most likely I'm going to be tightening using rope on these on the fence, because when the boss gets home, she's going to say yay or nay. And I want to make sure that I don't get anything too permanent going on, but most likely this is probably where it's going to stay. And that is going to take a lot of attention. I might have to re-drill that hole up top. I think I will do that. I'm gonna go ahead and re-drill that. And I'm not even probably gonna edit that out, just so folks can see you make mistakes on YouTube and still be a human. I thought it was gonna be high enough, but it turns out it's not, so I'm gonna go all the way up with it. Let's go ahead and get this done. All right, we got a few more inches of height on that. Let's see what we can get on this fence now. All right, I don't think I'm gonna need that rope. So the boss lady might approve if there's no rope. All I'm using on this is these little clamps, or actually I call it a D-ring, but it's not. I don't remember the exact name. It's got that little lever on it, and it helps. All right, so we got that up. Rain will be able to run off of it. It actually is going to help us here. Once I tighten it up, it'll be able to help us, because that netting we put up has drooped down over the few weeks we've had it up. We got to get it tightened, so this will help hold this up while we walk over here to the charger. So let's get it tightened up. So back to the Sunburn stuff. Did you know chickens got wattles? Well, they call them wattles. They are the little things that are down here on the bottom of their chin. They got those, they got their earlobes, and they've got cones. Every one of those can get sunburn. They've even got special lotion to put on a chicken, which is amazing to me. I've been in the chicken business now, raising chickens for 20, maybe a little over 20 years, closer to 25. And I ain't never put sunburn lotion, sun prevention lotion on a chicken. All right, I got it pulled all the way tight. That's twisted all the way. And check that out, folks. Check out that shade the chickens are gonna have. That's gonna be awesome. Most of the time during a sunny day, the chickens are either in the coop or they're all bunched over here between the buildings, and that keeps them in the shade. And believe it or not, when that wind blows through there, it's got a cooling effect. It's just a little bit cooler than being out in the sun, so the chickens don't overheat at all. So that's going to be awesome there. So yes, chickens can get sunburn. You can buy things to put on their back. So if you get a chicken that's molting, and somehow or another they get sunburn, there is lotion that you can put on them. So I'm not saying don't use the lotion. I'm just saying we never have on a molting chicken. We've never used a saddle or anything. Most of the time we have areas where our chickens can get in shade and get cooled off and things of that nature, so we don't have a problem even when they're molting. I say that, but we have free range chickens our entire time of having chickens. Well, this year we got hammered by a hawk, and it got some of our guineas and I think either 1 or 2 chickens. It was mainly a guinea getter. So what we decided to do is close in this whole area, and we did a video on this if you guys want to check it out. But we extended this corral panel out. We put corral panels in the back. Let me show you real quick. So we added these corral panels in the back, and we put fence on it. And then you can see the netting up here. We added these posts. Those things you see on top of the posts, those are actually from our mineral tubs for our cattle. That's the lids. So instead of the netting getting caught up on the top of a post, I went ahead and put that on there so it could slide easy. But you can see we got netting all the way down to the corner of our fence over here. So the chickens have this whole back area. They got this whole side area over here that they can go down. Now that shade deal is there. Guineas ain't nobody bothering y'all girls and boys. And then they have this whole front area over here, and boy, there ain't nothing left of them pumpkins that we gave them. But anyway, we moved these panels up here. They were all the way back to close to the coop, and we put cattle panels up because we got cattle. I don't know if you can see them in the field over there. We got one over here that's drinking some water. She's pinned up right now. But anyway, we did that so they wouldn't rub on the chicken coop. So we just extended those corral panels out, and then we bought this netting, this aerial netting from Premier One. I do not get paid by them. Bought it, paid full price, and we got netting up over the whole thing. So now our chickens have a little bit less opportunity to get in the shade. Before, they had the loafing shed. They had one of their other favorite places over here where we have a tarp over another stall. But anyway, so they just got the coop in between that building, depending on where the sun is and all that, and they don't have enough shade. So what we're trying to do is, girl, y'all like those blocks, don't you? So what we're trying to do with these shades is just provide another opportunity for them to get out of the sun if they want to be out here in the open in the run. I've got a smaller one that I'm going to put up later. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I'm going to put it up later, and I'll show it the next time I do a chicken video, and we'll get that one set up. But we're testing this one out right now. We bought it, so this is not a test and approve and do a review on it. This is, we paid full price, had it shipped to us, and we're going to do a test on it and see exactly how long it lasts and if it benefits them at all. And if it does, we'll add 2 or 3 more in here, and they'll have plenty of opportunity to get out in the sun if they want to get out in the sun, but also they'll have more opportunities to get in the shade. So yes, chickens can get sunburn, but try to do everything you can to keep them out of the sun when it's high sun, high heat, and things of that nature. Chickens are pretty smart. I know a lot of people say that chickens are dumb as a box of rocks, but listen, chickens are in a survival mode just like any other life form on the earth. So if they have an opportunity and an area to get in the shade and get out of sun, they're not going to get sunburned. So provide them the proper materials that they need, the proper areas that they need, and these chickens will flourish and you'll have a good flock. So it's kind of funny thinking that a chicken can get sunburn, but they absolutely can. So go ahead and take what measures you can to protect them, and you'll be happy. We appreciate you guys joining us. I'm going to put some other videos on the screen. We hope you enjoy those. You guys have a blessed day. I got to get my tools, ladies.